Listen and practice. Conversation 1.
Hey Martha, you don't look so good. What's the matter?
My puppy Green is ill and I am worried.
What is wrong with the puppy?
It tried to eat a poisonous toad.
That's too bad. What did the vet say?
The vet gave it an antidote and an IV. Green is getting better.
You shouldn't worry so much then.
You are right, but I can't help it.
What are you going to do, so it doesn't happen again?
I am planning to take it out myself, that way Green does not get in trouble.
Good idea, we have way too many toads around. And it's hard to know which ones are poisonous.
Those are exactly my thoughts.
Listen and practice. Conversation 2.
Hello, Chrisbel. Do you have the flash drive?
Hello, Mr. Daniel. Yes, I have it on my desk. Do you need it now?
Yes, I need to print a document from it.
Do you want me to print it?
Please do that. After, put it on a binder and give it to Mr. Jones.
Mr. Jones on the 3rd floor.
Correct. He is waiting for it.
I will hurry then.
Please do. And thanks for the help.
You are welcome.
Please like, comment, and subscribe for more conversation practice videos.